Do you want a microwave that cooks everything for you in less than 5 seconds?
I would. Hi, I'm Shirley Williams, and I'm here to tell you about the Magic Microwave.
All you need to do is put in all of your wonderful ingredients, like okra, coffee sampler, mayo, wheat bread, goldfish grams, onion powder, and standard stuff, taco shells. And then you enter the meal you would like to have. When the timer goes off, pop it open, and you have a steaming bowl of rice. Just simply place a king cake baby into the Magic Microwave and you get a delicious king cake. And here are some of our happy customers.
I love the Magic Microwave.
What? Oh, I love the Magic Microwave. It's great.
But the best part is, it's completely portable and easy to carry. But what's even better about the Magic Microwave is that it's only $79.99, a great price for you and your family.
Wow, that sounds great, doesn't it? Hi, I'm Shirley Williams, and I know you surely will like this. Comforting, isn't it?